guys, in this video you're going to be solving the example you see on your screen right now. So first thing you want to do, you want to look at it and realize that we should probably be solving by factoring with zero product property, which means you need to get your equation equal to zero first. This one was already equal to zero, so we're good to go. These are not like terms similar to the example. It was sine theta, cosine theta equals 3 cosine theta, like that example. You can't combine them, okay? We're going to factor, we're going to use GCF, greatest common factor, and I wrote, I typed one thing and wrote another, so this should be cosine. That's obviously not cotangent. So the greatest common factor is going to be cosine theta. When you pull a cosine theta out of only cosine theta, it does not turn into 0. Don't do that, don't do that. It turns into 1. So I'm going to factor out cosine theta. Some of you still, if you like to do it the way I showed you, where you draw the line, cosine theta, and you kind of look at it like a pretzel, right? Reduce, you can do that. But what's left inside is radical 3 cotan theta minus 1 equals 0. When it comes to factoring and the power is 1, you're probably done. The power is 1 on the outside and the power is 1 on the inside with the cosine, with the cotangent. Keep in mind, I haven't pointed this out in a while, cosine theta by itself is really the same thing as cosine theta minus 0. So if it helps you to look at it with addition or subtraction inside the parentheses, then go ahead and write it that way, or just think of it like that in your head. Now we're going to continue to solve zero product property, set each factor equal to 0, and solve for cosine theta or cotangent theta. So what will we have over there? That's going to be cosine theta equals 0, and add 1, divide by root 3. I don't have to show this, I hope. You have to rationalize your denominator, top and bottom by root 3, so everyone should know. You will end up with cotan theta is equal to root 3 over 3. If you're only trying to isolate the trig theta, in that case you would be done with that and with that. Now, can you take it further? What can you ask yourself? We can ask ourselves, is it possible for cosine to equal 0, and is it possible for cotangent to equal root 3 over 3? Yes to both of those questions. Adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent over opposite, anything goes. Not only is it possible, but both of these are ratios that correspond to the unit circle. Cosine of theta equals 0, where x is 0. That would be right here and right here. We'll tell those angles in a second. And cotan of theta is positive in quadrants 1 and 3. So we're looking at these two quadrants. Tangent equals root 3 over 3 at the pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6. So cotangent equals root 3 over 3 at pi over 3 and at 4 pi over 3. And then we said those angles are going to be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So once again, the two angles we get for that will be pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, again only if we're solving between 0 and 2 pi. And the two angles we got for this statement right there, no plus minus this time, is pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and that's it. So if you could take it all the way to that, you're amazing. If not, that's okay right now. I hope you could get it up to here, because that's what I need you to get up to. And there you go. If you understood, thumbs up. If you don't understand and you're sad, thumbs down. If there's more videos, go to another one, practice some more, and have a good night. Bye.